fire truck the most because we were able to spray the water cannons. During Career Day, we got to go to the concourse to do some breakdancing with one of the teachers. It was a lot of fun. Some zoologists came from Sunway Lagoon to share to us a bit about the animals there and their habitats. We learned a lot of cool facts. And I dressed up in my football jersey because I really like playing football and I find it really fun. Today was a lot of fun.
Make the connections, listen to the challenges that our entrepreneurs and business leaders have gone through, because that is what distinguishes them to be here today.
Really question everything that we hear. And I think that's important, because that was the first thing that I learned about really connecting with people.
What matters to me or what impresses me more is how I could see the real world is being introduced to the students, not just in academic, but in how they could study and become the career that they want. But ideally, it's all of them experiencing it through the eyes of someone who is already working. So that to me is quite fun. In fact, I love the interaction, and I think the kids are way more intelligent than I expect them to be.
We have very exciting development in Sunway University in engineering. We are new, but we have a lot of experienced teachers around. So I guess the students are quite excited to see the development and connecting how we connected with the real world. And I hope the students will join the engineering community to serve our society and also make the world better.
Today I attended the panels Medical Sciences and Education. And because I'm considering dentistry as a career, I learned a lot of insightful information about what is required to be a dentist and the skills needed.
We can ask our questions from the expert panelists. So we learned so much. I enjoy it personally. That how can I improve my critical thinking? How can I improve my knowledge? How can I improve to talk with other people?